Hello everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala. For this video, I will be sharing my Choco Butternut Loaf cake. For the ingredients, we need 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 2 cups granulated white sugar, 3/4 cup cocoa powder, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 2 pieces eggs, and 1 1/2 cup water. For the chocolate glaze, we need 1 cup powdered sugar, 1/4 cup cocoa powder, and 1/4 cup conaprol milk. For the coating, we need 1/4 cup melted butter, 1/2 cup desiccated coconut, 1/4 cup granulated white sugar, 1/2 cup powdered milk, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, and of course, our orange food color. In a clean bowl, mix all your dry ingredients. Your all-purpose flour, let's sift it. Your baking powder, baking soda, and then your salt. After that, isunod mo si cocoa powder. Then, mix this one by hand. No need ng mixer ha. Then, your granulated white sugar. Mix again. Then, make a well at the center. You put your vegetable oil, your eggs. You can use milk instead of water. Then, mix by hand. Mix mo lang to until well blended. So, okay na siya. Let's get our baking pan. I have here dalawang medium size na loaf pan lined with aluminum foil. Okay? Para mas madali siya i-remove once baked. So, okay na siya. Let's get our baking pan. I have here dalawang medium size na loaf pan lined with aluminum foil. Okay? Para mas madali siya i-remove once baked. Then, bake natin to for around 45 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's go! while binibake natin si cake, let's do the glaze. So, powdered sugar, then your cocoa powder, mix mo lang. And then, you add your conaprole milk. Your saucepan or frying pan, mix your melted butter, yung orange color. Pwede ka gumamit ng powder, liquid, or gel. Then, yung sugar. Turn on the heat, low lang. Then, sunod mo na si flour, powdered milk, and the desiccated coconut. If you want mas orange yung kulay, then you add food color. Once okay na yung kulay, set aside mo lang and then let it dry. So, once nag-cool down na yung coating natin, spread mo lang para ready na siya. Okay? If you want na mas pino, go ahead. Pwede mo siya i-food process. It's baked already. Yan. Okay? Hindi na masyado mainit. Remove na natin from the pan. Transfer natin here. Then, let's glaze. You get your pastry brush, tapos brush natin. Yung work ni glaze is para lang dumikit yung mga desiccated coconut or yung coating natin. Let's get the coating, tapos coat natin. Unahin natin ito. There you go, our Choco Butternut Loaf Cake. For the ingredients, don't forget to visit Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, or in Palawan. And don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Enjoy baking!